Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to get TradingView Premium. So you can get TradingView Premium actually for free. So that is only when you're starting your account basically. So here, let's get started for free. So when you have logged in with a new account only and you haven't used your free trial, you can do so. So basically here, when you scroll down in here, you will see that you'll be able to find your Essential, your Plus, and your Premium. You can actually start for 30 days right here, or you can skip that and pay it right away if you want to. So here you can do so, start a 30-day free trial, and you can authorize TradingView to charge automatically when you cancel your subscription or when you have ended it already. So you can choose your PayPal right here, your name, your billing address, your state, region, postal, and your address line. So you will get this for 30 days, which is pretty cool. So the hack here is just to create new accounts if you want to do so, but that's going to be time consuming when you're going to reset all your data and info into another account. So basically, just buy one right here. So I would choose the essential because I'm just a trader that will do essential stuff with two charts per tab, I mean, and five indicators per chart. So if you need a lot of indicators and you're that pro of a trader, you would go with plus baby. So you can start with your premium right here and try it for 30 days so you can actually enjoy everything right here with everything that is even available with premium. So there you go guys. That is how you basically get your TradingView premium for free.